So just in case you've never seen how you do this, you just literally roll the sheets down, and then you just take pegs. You can get staples like this or pegs. I got kind of a mix just because of your terrain. You kind of have to dictate, so it never hurts to have both. And then you just peg them down and make sure it doubles over. And you can see I did a flat, but you literally just cut with scissors your edge and try and get it as close as you can. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do know from other spots where I've done this, if you don't put something here, the weeds will grow there for sure and come over and stuff. So just keep that in mind. And that's pretty close. It's not finished, but I just wanted to show you like what it looks like. And that, guys, that took like 5 minutes. There's the roll. So it's a big roll from Home Depot. This, sorry it's ripped, but the heavy duty matrix grid is what I went with. And it's a 4 foot by 200. So, and that's why you want to staple it exactly, or you put it in the ground, stuff like that. See, so, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So there you go.